Okay, I'm installing magic mirrors on my 2014 Spyder RT. Just for a faster video, I already put together the magnets with the screw, the white washer, magnet, and the black washer. All of them are put together and ready to go here. This body panel screw, this washer needs to go away, so I'm going to remove it. They say just discard it. I have some plastic washers that I'm going to use instead. A little smaller diameter, and then the screw can keep the body panel tight. The three mounts are 13 millimeter. They just come out and put them in storage or wherever. The directions don't say to, but I'm using a little blue Loctite on these screws. And then you simply install these where those mounts were. Don't tighten it too tight. Make sure that your body panel still will go on and off. So it needs to be able to move behind that magnet, and it does, so it's not pinching the body panel. Be careful with the magnets because they're really strong and supposedly they are fragile. So make sure you don't get them too close to each other. Oh, Loctite. Or Permatex, whatever. Loctite. And the third one. Okay, now for the mirror side of it, the only difference in all of these is the top hanger. The rest of the four are the same. So there is a left and right for the top, and it's pretty obvious how that fits in the hole, which one's the left and which one's the right. Use the same screws back. Make sure your indentation is the right way to let the screw be less than flush with the surface so it won't interfere with the magnet. There. Okay, last one. We're almost done. I already did the left side of the bike. So obviously the holes in these flat pieces is where the heads of those bolts go. And installed. And then take them off. You just rock it off nice and gentle. Done.